Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can install and set up the Hextom Free Shipping Bar app onto your Shopify store. So without delay, let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, you have to be logged into your Shopify admin panel. So after logging, you can just go to the app section and the left hand side of your dashboard. Now you can see an add button here. So just click on this and you can discover more apps in your Shopify store by clicking this. So in this pop-up, you can just click on the bottom hand side and you can land on the Shopify app store. Now in this search field under the app name like a Hextom Free Shipping Bar and just go for entering. Now you can see the best match as the Hextom Free Shipping Bar app like this. So this is the app which what we are looking for. So just click on this and see their installation page. So this is a Shopify app that helps the store owners to increase sales by encouraging the customers to spend more to qualify for free shipping. Like instead of simply displaying a free shipping offer, this app will allow or shows a dynamic progress bar that updates the customer as the customers add product to their cart. So you can see their overviews and key points like this. And scrolling down, you can see the pricing details also. So I recommend you to start with the free plan so that you can explore more on this. And if this beneficial, you can just upgrade to the premium plans. And going down, you can see some genuine reviews from different merchants. So I recommend you to go all through this. And if everything is fit for you, you can just hit on install button. Now this app will automatically install to your Shopify admin panel. So before installing, they will ask for some access. So this app will need some access to our data. So carefully read through their privacy policy and why and what are the data this app needs and all. And if everything is fine, you can just click on install button. Now the installation process will be begin. After this successful installation, you can see the apps reflecting here the extreme shipping bar. And as a first step, we have to enable the app extension. So you can just go to the app section or app editor setting page and make sure that the apps toggle is enabled. In my case, it's enabled already. And if it is not enabled, you can just move this button to on and you can just save this. So go for saving this and come back to the app and refresh the page and you can see that the app embed is enabled. And now we can just start creating the shipping bars as per our store's themes or store data. Like you can see the view guide also here. So there are multiple uh, creation process and the creation steps are showing up here. Just go through this if you have any doubts. And you can just click on create new bar for creating the new shipping bars and all. So this is very simple, like the installation and the setup guide. So I recommend you to start this today itself so that you can just show the shipping bars on your Shopify store, which increase the customers' uh, trust and boost your sales with the effective manner. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.